Guys, I'm in Richmond Park. Do you want an orange from my backpack?
Maybe not glitter here.
So here you can see the directions on the board to the places there. Richmond Park is 985 hectares in area. So before you go there, just look if you can walk that much, because when we came back, we were just so tired. And Richmond Park is located in the London Borough of Richmond upon Thames. The park is a national nature reserve. Inside the park there is a place called White Lodge, which was originally built as a hunting lodge for George II Augustine. He gave I'm tired of walking, and this place is so large, as you can see over there. And then there's more. In 1625, Charles I brought his court to Richmond Palace in an attempt to escape the deadly plague in London. Here's a deer with an antler, and when I went closer, it just ran away. If you saw this, I posted a video of Bushy Park, and all the deers, they would approach people. So that's where you can see me, feeding deers and going next to them. There is a pond in the middle of Richmond Park, and there are 6 gates, and I think that one, the opposite is Sheen, the other side's Roehampton, the other one's, I think, Robin Hood, and the other one's Ham. Don't know how to pronounce it that well. So here you can see, I think that's a swan. Yeah, I think that's a swan. There's lots of deers here. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the like button down below.